Welcome to CADDology. This drawing is available in Telegram on CADDology channel. Let's start. Make a circle of radius 42. Make a line of 80 mm. Make another circle of radius 30. Make small circle of 10 mm diameter. Number of circle is 8. And then close array. Going for the down portion. And the dimension is 85. Circle center to center in half of the 85. Make a circle of diameter 26 and 52. Circle of diameter 16 and 36. Fillet, put it radius 42. Select this tangent and this one, and the radius is 96. Enter. Trim extra portions, and now only remaining are tangent lines, both the sides. Select first tangent and second one. Similarly, and tangent. The drawing is finished.